Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you my Estée Lauder gift with purchase. This is the box right here. So I've already opened the seal on this side. I'm just going to open it very quickly and show you what's inside. So I bought these two items. This is the advanced night repair, and I also bought this roll-on deodorant by Estee Lauder. Yeah, I bought this too. So I got this whole bag here for free with contents in it. So I also got this it's the advanced it's the Revitalizing Supreme Plus Night sample. So this one I'm just going to use it once or twice, actually once. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the contents in this makeup bag. So the first item, as you can see, it's Pure Color Envy Kissable Lip Shine Lip Gloss. I'm not sure what shade this is. Let me see. It's Naked Truth. It's called Naked Truth. It's not visible, but this is Naked Truth here. Okay, and then I have Take It Away Makeup Lotion Remover. This is 50 ml. And then I have the Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream. And then I have Advanced Night Repair. This is 7 ml. I think this must be the smallest size. And then I have this double wear stay in place lip pencil. It's in the shade Spice. And then I have excuse me, Revitalizing Supreme Youth Power Cream. Okay, Revitalizing Supreme. Okay, yeah. So I also have this lipstick here. It's in shade Rebellious Rose. This is Rebellious Rose right here.